Welcome back to Gifted Garage. I'm Gif. Today we got to do some turbo C10 stuff. The last time you saw this thing, we thrashed and put the turbo 6-liter from my NASCAR in here because this is my new Burnout vehicle for 2025. We got a whole lot of Burnout Nationals events, Cletus and Cars, Burnout Rivals, Burnout Wars. A lot of tires to recycle. So since the last video on this, I've done a few things. I upgraded to a bigger 20-gallon fuel cell because this thing's not going on a trailer. We're gonna drive it everywhere we gotta do a burnout. I put new limited slip clutches in the rear end because I thought it was slipping. Like, I drove this thing around the block like twice and it was just blowing right through as soon as it hit boost. I thought it was either blowing through the rear end or the clutch, and nope, it was just spinning the tires. Or at least now it's still just spinning the tires. So the rear end's good, the fuel tank's good. I added a handbrake just for fun. I wired in my line lock. I got a gas gauge. So then I mounted my pair of Nittos radials on the back to try and get it to hook. And then I drove it around the block like 2 more times. And so that's it, test drive complete. We got some tires in here. And instead of just like going down the street or anything like that, we're gonna drive all the way to New York, like 3.5 hours, to go hang out with my Burnout National friends and test this truck. Because the first event I'm going to is next weekend in New York. It would make sense just to go to New York one time next weekend, but then if something breaks, I have less than a week before we're driving it to Florida. So at least now, if something breaks, I have like a week to fix it before the diesel show in New York, or I could skip that and, you know, have some time to fix stuff before we drive it 3,000 miles. But actually, Randy and Richie from Burnout Nationals in New York are on their way here this morning to pick up this piece of junk I got outside. And then I'm gonna follow them back to New York and we're gonna destroy some tires. It's manual steering.
I think that's good. We'll see.
I'll even throw in the Holly license plate. Those damn mufflers. Road trip. 50 miles an hour right now. But as far as I can tell, we don't have any problems. So it looks like we're gonna make it just fine. Not wasting any time. Getting right to business with this thing. The truck did great. I got a lot of weight in the bed. So we're going like full ghetto. I'm splicing O2 sensors together. Randy's trying to fix my tune. Richie's trying to weld the rear end. We've been in the shop for like 20 minutes.
All hell was broken loose.
It's gonna do a burnout before it gets dark.
Even if I have to hold it open with my fingers, it's gonna do a burnout.
The pedal position's going nuts. Yeah, hit it again. And we're up to like 142. Hey, what's this metal cylinder attached to your welding cart? What is that? So you can breathe when you, yeah. Look at the little baby ring gear.
It's teeny.
It's tiny.
Wait, is that? Hold on.
It's a 7 1/4 moped. It's like a golf cart.
I think that came out of an RC car. That's out of my T-Max.
It probably needs trans fluid. You need trans fluid?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh God! You left the clutch out too slow. It might need a little transport. I wonder if like the cable's kind of. Yo, the best is he was using the suicide dial.
It's a skirt.
He said, look out.
Well, it works.
Yeah, good one.
So, it does a burnout. The old fart dart. We just had to do that real quick because Richie has to go to dinner and he has plans. Now, headed to Randy's. I gotta do some work on this. I gotta help him do some work on his junk. And it started raining. And I'm on drag radials. We all know how this story played out before. Yeah. Rear brake delete.
Huh? What time is it?
I don't even know.
I think it's Freedom 30. We're good.
Yeah. Oh, it's only like 11 o'clock.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jack stand. Yeah.
Yeah, we got to take that next.
Yeah, we don't need rear brakes.
Pipe dreams coming together.
The next day.
So about that transmission.
Are you gonna go rip?
Oh yeah.
What, passenger?
My laptop's passenger, bro.
Alright, fine. That's gonna stay?
Probably not.
Do you want me to hold the laptop?
Then you're gonna be blocking my camera.
Oh! I didn't see. You got whole YouTube going on. Sorry, my bad, my bad.
My bad.
My bad.
Is that even on?
Yeah, it's recording. I see. I see now. What the hell is that all about?
I took my foot off the gas. My tune is garbage. Oh, he's going up top. Huh?
Winter's over. It's time to get rid of the snow tires.
It's hot.
Flaming.
Flaming? That's a heat blanket on there.
Yeah, it holds a lot of heat. It's on fire.
In the stock car.
I mean, it's the same thing.
Good, way better.
Same, but different. And I already put it in the wall, so we're good.
Oh, you did hit the wall.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you like really smacked the wall.
Yeah. I had to send it.
Is that
you know?
how you turned around over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think that's how he straightened out.
Hey, at least you weren't like last.
Yeah, everything's, you know, it's the first real heat cycle it's gotten, you know?
Oh my god. Except for the drive here.
Drive shaft held together.
Yes.
You got some. Yeah, I'll have to pull that out to get my tires back on.
Definitely will. Oh my god. And then drive it 4 hours.
Nails the wall.
All right, so let it cool off and get another set. So one of the whole reasons of me coming out here to New York was I found a guy in New Jersey to meet me here and give me this fresh unit. It happens to be from my friends at Silver Sport. It's used. It's got maybe 50 miles on it, he said. And it was a screaming deal. So my crunchy TKO can go bye-bye. It's a damn dust bowl. But I got a new tick going on. But I got a new transmission too. So we gotta go home and get some stuff changed before Florida. So, fresh back from New York. And I've got a lot of stuff to fix. In like a week before we drive to Florida.